How to delete a text message on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the text messages app. After that, open up the text conversation. Within this text conversation, you can delete one or multiple text messages. So here, to delete a text message, first touch and hold on a text message. Once it is selected, you can select one or multiple text. So here, go up the list here and select any text that you want to remove. At the top here, it will show you the total number of text has been selected. After that, you can tap on the delete button at the top corner here. Now we'll ask you to confirm. So tap on the delete button to confirm, and here we have deleted 5 selected messages. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key. Now if you want to totally delete the whole text conversation with a contact or with someone, you can touch and hold on this one here on the conversation in the messages list. At the top here, you can tap on the delete button, and here tap on delete this conversation, and here say this is permanent and can't be undone. So tap on delete. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.